automatically fall within that particular size. So if you are interested in E85, for example, so the E85 is the large fragment size. And if you are interested in the E75, you can easily add it there. So the other way you can do also is that you put in the particular size, fragment size that you want to check. So for example, if you have a crusher, you want to know the percentage of the material that will pass through the crusher. So you only need to know the size of the crusher inlet. So for example, your crusher is of a particular inlet of 1200. So when you put that 1200 in this particular box under the size, then the tool will tell you the percentage of the material you just analyzed that will pass through that particular pressure gauge. For example, in this analysis, the crusher, for example, using the crusher of 1200 millimeter, so you have 58.56% of that material passing through that particular class. So if you want to change, maybe you want to work around another unit instead of using millimeter, all you need to do is to go to the size class and change the unit you're working with. Or then if you have the unit changed, so right now I changed the unit to centimeter. You can see everything is automatically changed to centimeter here. So with the tool also, the tool changed to centimeter. So if, for example, instead of that 1120 centimeter, you can see, then if you want to walk around other units like inches, all you need to do is to come here, change it to inches, or you can change this particular here, you can come here and change your empirical, then you can have your analysis in inches. So depending on whatsoever size round you want to play with, so the software and the new tool will work with you and change all of the analysis to whatsoever unit you want it to be. Then you can walk around that. So that is how the tool works. I hope you enjoyed the new tool. Let me know if you have any question, and you can easily reach out to me. Thank you very much. Bye.